In this video we're going to be showing you how to replace a magnet on the inside of a JF100. To start with, take your multi-tool or any small spanner and start removing your pedals. Next, what you want to do is remove your casing, and to do that we take our multi-tool again or another small screwdriver and remove all the screws on the right hand side of the casing. Next, remove the rubber guard from each side of the casing. So now your casing is free to be removed from the bike. So this is how your magnet should look inside your JF100 base. If for any reason your magnets don't look like this, and one of them may be closer to the flywheel, that may cause a noise issue or a scraping sound. To resolve this issue, take one of your magnets, apply a bit of glue to the back and stick it back down so they all should look like this. Then once your magnets are back in place, simply reverse the steps and reattach your casing and your pedals.